here today with a what was in my yoga club box for the month of January. This is going up a little bit late, mainly because I was having some serious microphone issues. As you guys know, if you've been following me, the sound has been a little bit crazy, but I got a new microphone. I'm refilming this, and so I wanted to show you guys what I got in January's yoga club box. So there are 3 different plans. The first is the Mantra. This is going to get you 1 pair of premium brand leggings, and it's going to run you $45. Or they have the Karma, which will get you 2 premium athletic wear pieces. That's going to be $69. Or you can do the Guru, which is $79 a month, and that will get you 3 pieces, which is what I'm gonna show you today. So it's really easy to get started. You're gonna go to the Yoga Club website and you'll fill out a really quick, easy style profile. This is gonna help the stylist pick out pieces that are special for you based on what type of workouts you do or what kind of pieces you're looking for, whether you like bright colors, patterns, neutrals, cropped shorts, long leggings, long sleeves, what kind of sports bras you like. So from colors to patterns to styles, it will really help them curate a box specific to what you like. So for me, I don't really like a ton of patterns or bright colors on my leggings. I like something either pretty neutral or solids. I also like full-length leggings versus shorts. I also love sports bras. I'm not really interested in long sleeve shirts, but I do like hoodies or jackets, stuff like that. So every month I get a box that is curated based on my preferences. And so far I've really loved every single box that I've gotten. So I'm going to show you my box today. Thank you so much, Yoga Club, for partnering with me again on this video. You guys know I love athletic clothing, and honestly 99% of the time that is all that I wear. I rarely know how to dress like a normal human being anymore. I just always wear workout clothes. So let's take a look at the stuff that I got in this month's box. Again, I have the Guru box, so it gets me 3 pieces. I'm wearing them right now. The first is this hoodie. So I have this navy blue hoodie. It's really cute. It has this really adorable floral pattern on the cuff and along the bottom. It has pockets and it has a really cute hood. I'll show you here. So it's got a really cute hood, and I love that this hood like actually covers my face or like my whole head, because our winters don't snow, it rains. So something that really covers my whole head is nice. Also, it has that same really cute detailing on the inside. And then it has a matching sports bra. You guys ready? It's so cute. So here is the matching sports bra. It does have little removable cups in there, which I always wear the cups because if it gets cold, you don't want everyone to see that. The back is also really cute with the crisscross detail. I find this incredibly comfortable. I've actually already worn this like 3 times, and I really, really love this sports bra. It's super, super comfortable. I'd say it's probably a light to medium support, but it's just so cute. And then the leggings are these dark green leggings. They're high-waisted, which I absolutely love. They are sweat resistant. I have worked out in these twice already. Sweat resistant, and I just love the color of them. I will tilt the camera down so you can see, but these are absolutely phenomenal quality. They do have a little pocket here in the front. They have a nice compression waistband. You do have a little bit of an elastic up at the top, but I feel like it really compresses everything in and keeps you nice and, you know, sucked in. They're so comfortable. I feel like they're so flattering on the rear end. I'm really short too. I am 5'1", and they're not too long. There is a little bit of bunching down at the bottom, but for the most part, they fit pretty nicely as far as length goes. If you're taller, these will obviously fit perfectly. If you're my height, I still feel like they fit good without too much bunching. But they're really, really comfortable. They are squat proof, and I just think they're so cute. This color is so pretty, and I have nothing like this in my collection. So absolutely love this month's Yoga Club box. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you are thinking about getting a yoga club, I have a few other videos that I will leave in the description box below if you want to check out some of the other outfits I've gotten. Everything I've gotten from them in the last 4 or 5 months, everything has been great quality. It's been washed multiple times. Everything stays together. I've just been really impressed with the styles I've gotten from the stylist. Everything I've been sent, I've really, really loved, and it's all been stuff that I wear frequently when I work out. So I love that their stylists really do pick out products and items that they think you would like based on what you have put in your style profile. So thanks again, Yoga Club, for partnering with me in this video. If you guys are interested, there'll be a discount code and a link down in the description box. And I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.